Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Redmi Buds 6S. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connectional button on the charging case for at least 10 seconds. Now we can see this fast blinking, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now close the charging case, click the information icon near to your headphones, forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. Now click on your headphones and add the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!